Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to place for all things beauty. Today, we're diving into the Turbo Power Hairdryer Ionic Professional 3900-TP. Whether you're tired of long drying sessions or you're after that salon-quality finish at home, this might be the game changer you need. Let's see how it measures up. The Turbo Power Hairdryer is powered by a 1900-watt twin-turbo engine designed to speed up the drying process without sacrificing the health of your hair. Thanks to its ionic and ceramic technology, it emits negative ions that break down water particles in your hair, allowing them to evaporate faster. The result? Faster drying times while maintaining the moisture and natural texture of your hair. When you first pick up the 3900, it feels solid but lightweight, offering professional-level performance with a design that's easy for everyday use. It's not bulky, so if you're someone who dislikes heavy blow dryers, this one's pretty manageable. Plus, the inclusion of a brush adds a nice touch for added styling versatility. Now, let's talk about performance. The 1900-watt motor delivers powerful airflow, and I was genuinely impressed by how quickly my hair dried, especially when compared to my regular blow dryer. I'd say the drying time was significantly reduced, and my hair didn't feel frazzled after. On the contrary, it felt soft, smooth, and not overly dry, which is always a concern when using higher-powered dryers. One standout feature is the instant cold air button. At the end of your drying session, you can hit this button to shoot a burst of cold air, which helps lock in your style. This feature not only reduced the frizz, but also helped set my hair with a nice, lasting shine. I used it after curling my hair, and it kept everything in place for hours. It's little touches like this that elevate the experience. The 4 heat and 2 speed settings give you flexibility, no matter your hair type. I have thick, somewhat coarse hair, and I found the highest heat setting to be sufficient for my needs. Even with coarse hair, it didn't leave it feeling fried. If you have thin or fragile hair, you can always adjust to a gentler setting. This blow dryer adapts to your hair's needs, which is a plus. There are, of course, a few things to keep in mind. One downside I noticed was that it's a bit louder than some of the more premium models I've tried. However, the performance and faster drying time make up for it. Also, the brush that comes with the dryer isn't anything extraordinary, so if you're looking for a high-end styling brush, you might need to look elsewhere. But if you just need a basic brush to detangle as you dry, it works fine. When it comes to value for money, this dryer falls into the mid to high price range, but I do think it's worth it, especially if you're someone who dries your hair often. The fast drying time, smooth finish, and cold air button make it a solid option for people who want salon-like results at home. If you've been thinking about upgrading from your drugstore dryer, this one will definitely feel like a step up. Comparing it to other blow dryers in this price range, it's competitive. You're paying for the technology, ionic ceramic, and the powerful motor, but you're not necessarily getting all the bells and whistles you'd find in a super premium model. Still, it holds its own against other ionic dryers in terms of speed and results. The build quality is great. It feels professional, and the handle is ergonomic enough for long drying sessions without causing discomfort. I'm not sure how long it will last in terms of durability yet, but it feels like a solid investment. As for customer support, I haven't personally had to reach out, but Turbo Power has a decent reputation for responding to inquiries, which is always reassuring. Now, if you're not ready to commit to this price point, there are more affordable alternatives that can still give you good results. Brands like Revlon and Conair offer similar blow dryers at a lower cost, but you may not get the same speed or professional features. It's about balancing your budget with your needs. In conclusion, the Turbo Power Hairdryer 3900-TP offers impressive performance for anyone who wants to cut down drying time without compromising on the health of their hair. The instant cold air feature and the ionic technology are definitely winners in my book. If you're willing to invest in a quality blow dryer, this one could be the perfect addition to your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this blow dryer or have any thoughts on it, Drop a comment below. Let's talk about it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.